Have you ever looked at a list and thought, there is no way I am remembering all of this? What if the trick was not trying harder, but making the list more visual and more ridiculous? In this video, you will learn how the link method helps you remember a list by turning each item into a picture, then connecting those pictures into a story. Here is the big idea. Instead of memorizing separate words, you make each item into a clear mental image. Then you connect the first image to the second to the third, and so on. First, choose a picture for each item. Next, make the connection active, exaggerated, and easy to see. The funnier or stranger the picture is, the more likely your brain is to notice it. Let us try it. You need to pack an umbrella, a granola bar, a notebook, a phone charger, and soccer cleats. Picture an umbrella opening indoors and raining granola bars. Then imagine a giant granola bar writing homework in a notebook. Next, the notebook plugs itself into a phone charger. Finally, the charger ties itself on soccer cleats. Now recall the list by walking through the images. Umbrella leads to granola bar. Granola bar leads to notebook. Notebook leads to phone charger. Phone charger leads to soccer cleats. The pictures act like stepping stones. A common mistake is making the pictures too calm. An umbrella sitting next to a snack is easy to forget. An umbrella blasting granola bars across the room is much better because it is visual, active, and unusual. So far, we have covered the two essentials. Turn each item into a picture, then link each picture to the next one with a silly action. Want to remember this technique long-term? Tap the link for Quizlet study tools, then jump back into the video. Lock in what you learned and keep going. Now let us transfer the same method to school content. Suppose you need to remember the planets in order. The link method can help because the order matters and each picture pulls you toward the next one. Picture Mercury as a tiny silver messenger sliding across a hot sidewalk. The messenger crashes into a shiny mirror for Venus. The mirror reflects a blue Earth ball. Mars runs in and paints the ball red. The red ball bounces into giant Jupiter, which bumps into Saturn's rings. The rings roll sideways into Uranus, and Uranus splashes into ocean blue Neptune. To test yourself, hide the words and follow the story. Messenger, mirror, Earth ball, red paint, giant planet, rings, sideways roll, ocean splash. Each image gives you a clue for the next planet. Here is the main weakness. If one link breaks, the rest of the list can get harder to reach. That is why the link method works best for short lists, practice lists, or quick study checks. For important longer lists, add a backup. You can place a few anchor points in the chain, or combine this method with another memory system. That way, one forgotten link does not erase everything after it. To recap, here is a quick step-by-step guide. Choose clear images. Make each image interact with the next one. Exaggerate the action. Then rehearse the story from beginning to end, and again from memory. If you want to practice what you learned today, check the links in the description for Quizlet's memorization guide and study tools designed to help you remember it longer. Keep learning, keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video.